Bonjour! Today in Paris, we spent the day in Les Marais with a walking tour, a cooking class, and a wine tasting. Our walking tour included sweet treats along the way.
This is so good. Very different from what we have in the United States. This cream is thick, almost gelatinous. I don't mean that in a negative way. It's just superb.
These fountains are so crazy, and I wish the museum was open, but it's not. I think it's getting renovated. We are getting ready to take a French cooking class.
We've got our hair tied back. They didn't make us wear a hairnet.
But we do have these fancy plastic garbage bag aprons.
I might wear mine. It's in my pocket.
Well, this will be an adventure.
Yes, we're excited. It smells good in here.
Maybe we'll come back and be chefs.
Maybe.
Are we?
We are at the Atelier des Chefs, so the chef's workshop in French. And today you're here for a 30 minutes class. You'll be with the chef Lucy, who's just over there. She's gonna be explaining you how to make your main course that you're gonna be eating just there. And then you can have also a dessert and a glass of wine.
Lovely.
2.
Okay, so whip it off, stab it with a knife.
All right, I'm officially a French chef. I've been trained at Le Cordon Bleu. I don't seem like I have my technique quite right yet, but I'm trying. I do absolutely love zucchini, so I am pleased. Chicken and zucchini is a frequent combination in my house. However, I think this is going to be a lot better than I normally do.
I know. Well, this one's doused in butter, so.
Correctly, this is parsley. This is sea salt.
Sea salt. Just parsley?
Oh. And then the yuzu is a Japanese lemon sauce. It smells really wonderful.
We need that.
We're going to have to get all these things, right?
Yes.
Show off yours.
Here we go. Doesn't it look awesome? We're buying all the products.
All of it.
All of it. The equipment, the spices, the oils.
Just dumped a bunch of oil off.
And now we are considering buying the plates.
Okay, now we're going to try it. Got this whole table with wine. What wine is it? Oh, Sauvignon Blanc, please.
Blanc.
Yes, ma'am. Cheers. Santé. We're down here in a cave, getting ready to do a wine and cheese tasting. And I'm a little worried about those steps going back up.
There's a spiral staircase that is very scary, and I don't know how people can do it after a glass of wine.
Steep
And very small.
Spirally.
Yes. So we'll see how it goes.
This place is pretty cool.
It is very cool. We're ready for wine.
Business time, fast paced in these fast times. We can chase life for chase times. Come full speed, I'm online. For all needs, we got the vibe. Top gear, we stay on grind. No fear, can't fall behind. I'm working on my frequency for all things to be. So bust up, pocket check the dates. I'm stepping problems always in my way. Ain't got the time for second place. Breaking records in the race. I see that.